My name is Basti, and I'm going to be taking over Mommy's place, but it's only just going to be for one video, only like this video, only this one. And then I think we're almost at the restaurant. We're going to go to the restaurant right now. I think that is that one, right? No, you're not anymore. It is me again, Basti, and back.
With the bad recording.
Yes, with the bad recording. I don't know what to do.
Why are
that's
you
why.
holding it in that spot again?
Should I be taking over?
Abu Dhabi. Ngayon.
Everyone,
Gabi.
every single viewer, comment if you want me back in the next post.
Kebab. Shawarma.
Mommy, shawarma regular.
Yeah, shawarma. Ayan.
Try the shawarma, okay?
Wait, Basti. Wait.
Let me take over.
Ito, may bagel din pala sila.
Shawarma regular Maggi.
Musakan. Wait lang, Basti.
Shawarma for Basti?
Yeah, shawarma, the first option. There's a sage. Sage tea. They got sage tea, guys. They got tea, not sage.
Fatag.
So, Lebanese, ano pala to? Lebanese restaurant.
Lebanese.
Yung lalo na yung shawarma, ano talaga? Authentic shawarma.
Not available. Okay. Hindi nga pala available yung barbecue. Ano yan sa...
Ate Sam, drop your straw. And then I went to the
Ito yung sandwich ni Ate Sam. Sandwich na Ate Sam, right? Ano nga kasi ito?
Manakish.
Manaki.
Kala.
Tapos, ito yung
Sebastian,
chicken.
bigay mo kay Basti.
Meat shawarma. And then the chicken shawarma.
What's up, bye.
So, ito yung shawarma.
Only side of it.
If you taste this, you'll go nuts.
Why is it like a pizza?
Thank you. Sweet with mushroom.
Ayan ang shawarma.
Sino ko? Can I try the meat? The meat shawarma, boy? salad, oh.
Dalawang bata pala, hindi ko pa napapakita.
Ang lambot. Congrats, right? Sa akin ba?
Ayan, ganito yung gawin natin. And then, kuha tayo ng meat. Yung meat kanina. Ayan. Ano to, Daddy? Beef. Beef with mushroom. Ay, nagiging food review na tayo ngayon, mga Mina. Para siyang ano,
Kami, ang bigyan ng shawarma. Ay, mamigay.
pinaka-close ko na ano dito is yung chicken fajita. Ay, meat fajita, parang gano'n. Sa Chili's, parang gano'n siya. Kulang lang siya ng ano, anong tawag dito? Bell pepper, no? Yun lang, diba? Bell pepper lang.
Wala na sa... Alam ko lang kayo.
Kulang siya ng bell pepper, gano'n. Pero parang siyang yun, yung fajita ng Chili's. Put more.
Laki naman ng bread mo.
Dapat hinati mo muna yung bread, basti. Oh, natapon. Pambira. Ikaw, Ate Sam, you want to try? Try mo kaya, Ate Sam. Try it na. Like it? Sarap? Sarap, di ba? Sarap, basti? Yummy? Really?
Taste it, eh?
Okay.
What is
Try it.
this?
Manakish.
It's like pizza.
Like it?
Or 6 out of 10. And it tastes like
So mga try naman natin tong manakish. Ayan, para siyang Huggies pizza. So, tignan natin kung anong lasa. May honey.
Cheese and honey.
So, cheese and honey pala siya. Pero ang sarap. Sarap na combination niya, mga nito. Grabe.
Pati. Ay,
Arabic bread.
Daddy,
Lambot.
Daddy, you said that bread is just pure air.
try mo pa to. Ba't ayaw mo na nung hotdog mo?
Good. Lalong-lalo na yung manakish. New favorite ko yan, manakish.
Ano bang mga fish dessert?
Search natin. Ayun, sinearch ko yung manakish, kung ano yung, ano niya, kung dessert ba siya or ano. Hindi ko siya, para ma-figure out kung ano ba talaga siya. Pwede bang paki-comment mga mi kung alam nyo kung ano ba talaga yung manakish. And new favorite ko siya, kaya gusto kong malaman kung ano siya. Natin mga mi.
It's like shaped like a book.
Ha? 116. Ayan, lahat na. Regular shawarma. So, around 1,200. Parang ganun yata.
It's like shaped like a book. Can you see this?
Yeah, ang cute. Ang cute din ng ano nila, oh. Ayan, dito kami kumain sa Bait El
Bait na ketchup.
Ketchal. Bait Al Ketchal. Cafeteria and restaurant. Ayan. Sa Nachda pala to.
Daddy, let me see your profile. Ay!
Nabusog na.
We're approaching
Keep the carriage.
Fence.
Daddy, I thought what they meant by defense road, that's like they're defending themselves or something.
Just the name, defense. I don't know why do they call it defense. Maybe because it's
There's like a protective protection
because it's near some.
like those one. I thought it was not like inside the store.
Ayan. Bibili tayo ng phone case. Tingin tayo ng phone case dito. And parang battery ng ating DJI. Yeah, what is it?
Or my tag, mommy. I'm asking your dad because it has this.
So meron daw sila na memory card. May memory card sila. So we'll wait.
സാംസങ് ടോൾ ഫ്രീ വിളിച്ചാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും
Daddy, yung 512 daw nila is 300 dirham. You have discount for this, brother. Discount.
Discount I will make.
Yeah.
Mommy, where's the professional camera one? Mommy,
300
professional camera. Is there any professional
Bili na
camera?
tayo ng ganito.
Okay, madam. I can take 270. 270.
Original.
The original, yeah. Sandisk original, boss. Warranty you have also. Yeah.
How about 250?
270, good price.
Last price.
Okay, 260 give me halas. 260.
Bili ka ng battery nito. Di ba? Battery.
Wala daw eh. Meron
The three here, no, I told. There is one shop for camera. Here, yeah.
there's
After next road, yeah.
check.
I am recording.
Sorry. Okay.
What else?
Camera.
Case, phone case also for this.
Yes, yeah, we
Here,
have
you
this
have-
the same stand, this stand, another side.
Ini موجود هذا؟
لا هو أول اشتري.
Huh? This one, how much, brother?
This one, madam.
Daddy, like this?
So ito 260.
Some vlogging thing. Hello. This is for brother.
Yeah. You wanna say
Brother.
hi?
Memory card
20.
for
Yeah.
professional
Okay.
camera.
Then I will choose.
Daddy,
Mag-choose tayo ng case.
memory card. The
Ayoko
black
yung may ganitong black.
This one?
This is orange, anak.
Mommy doesn't like orange. She's too picky. Like brown? I like this.
Yan. Parang pareho lang
This
na ito.
one, it's like the same. Brown. Brown, mommy.
Na.
Ito
Picky
siguro.
mom.
Parang ano.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng may bigyan na ganyan?
Yung MagSafe. Yung ipapatong mo lang yung phone mo mag-charge.
First സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഇപ്പൊ 17 പ്രോ ഏകദേശം 6-7 വർഷമായി
അത് വാങ്ങിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് വാങ്ങിക്കാൻ നല്ല ഒരു വിശ്വാസത്തിൽ
ന്യൂസിലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തരാമായിരുന്നു പുതിയത് വരാറില്ല 5 വർഷമായി
ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പം വേണമെന്നുമില്ല
Ano yung maganda? Kasi hindi siya pwedeng buksan lahat.
Sa tab A11 ba yung ano nila?
Hindi ko rin alam dati. Dati ko na.
Ganda yun, di ba?
Teka, titignan ko sa Shopee.
Magbibili ka to. Magkano daw to?
Ha? Ay, this one, brother, how much?
This one, 30.
30.
Itong ganda.
Pagpili mo. Kaso,
Itong ganda. Thank you. Wala ka ba?
at ito, hindi.
Mommy.
Ano lang pala siya. Daddy, ano lang pala siya, oh.
Daddy.
Ganda?
Ah.
Ha? Ano bang gusto mo? Nakatago?
Kasi, hindi, tignan mo. Ano siya, plastic.
Ay, di.
This is shockproof.
Ito. Protection. Try mo to. Meron pa siyang ganun. Pwede mo tayo kapag sa sarili ka.
Stronger shockproof? Or
And then, Mommy, I still remember busting.
Ito na lang.
I'll tell Mommy.
I'll take this, brother. How much?
I'll tell Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
How much is this, brother?
only that one?
Yeah.
Busting is not forget back.
No discount.
Even though it's vacation.
I'll take this also. So, ito yung nabili ko. Ayan. 30 dirham. Okay, brother. I'll take it.
Can you buy
Mobile number
the
please.
camera?
0567. Okay. 426.
Okay.
822.
Invoice number 57.
How much all, brother?
355.
355. All gave discount?
Real. Best price.
Pasti, ayan daw. Blower. Para sa sakyan. So, tignan natin.
It's a charger.
Punta kami dito.
Sige mga gadget nila rin.
Dito lang po natin dapat buy mga baso.
I'm scared for something.
Kasi dito ka.
Teka, ba't kumanyan ka? Hindi ka makakita sa video. Ay, sorry.
Dito ka. Bakit di?
Mabati. Kung gaano kalakas. Lakas! Ang lakas. Pag pala, hindi nakapaglaba.
Let me try.
Pwede rin yan.
Can I try you?
Yung damit, patuyuin mo na lang. No, basi. No. May turbo pa. Ganyan kalakas.
Refreshing.
Meron ng pressure cooker na dekuryente. Galing.
You want to play hide and seek? No thank you. But is your TV broke? And why is the front door locked up so much? Is that some kind of junk? Wait, why do you have a bat? What are you gonna do with